Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. This is part 3 on this extrude tool, making a 3D effect. And I don't really need to make this video, but I said I was going to play around with it. I made each individual letter a different color. I didn't take a lot of time in picking the color. But what you needed, so I did text the path, and if you didn't watch that, I did text the path in part 2. You need to group this together for this to work, so Control G. Then get your extrude tool and extrude that thing out. And then get your rotation and just play with it. And, you could play with it a lot. This is really kind of fun. And then go back and then take your extrude tool and maybe make it not quite as thick. Now, one thing, and the real reason I decided to make the video is the background doesn't really have an outline. So if you take it all and break it apart and then grab it all, it's going to go from that hairline, and you can do them all now. And now your backside has an outline, so it'll kind of show off. That would look pretty cool with a kid's name on a t-shirt, doing something like that. You could even extrude it like that, but we've already broken it apart, but you can't, go back and extrude it. But before you took it apart, you could make it less than it was. Let's go back here a little bit while we still had the extrude tool, and just see, you can always go back and just make it just a little bit of an extrusion. That looks pretty cool. And then, like I said, the back doesn't have much of an outline because you need to break the extrusion apart and then grab it again and double click on the pen tool and let's make it real thick so you can see it. But that's way too thick. I just wanted you to realize what was happening. Anyway, that's pretty cool. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.